What's up, YouTube? So, in this video, since I'm kind of doing a lot of these NFL quizzes, I figured I'd try something a little bit different. It's apparently the hardest Dragon Ball Z quiz. I guess we'll see. That picture's from Super, or at least the Resurrection of F movie, one or the other. I think that's from the movie, because the animation's actually decent. That arc for Super was terrible. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Which of the Z fighters use clothing, weighted clothing? All of them at some point. Of course, Goku and Piccolo, more iconically, but Vegeta's used it. Tien has used it. Yamcha used to use it. I mean, a lot of them retired, but they've used it at some point. Who swapped bodies with Goku? Ginyu. Technically, Goku Black did as well, but whatever. What is the standard population of King Kai's planet? Three, although four if you count the BoJack Unbound movie, because technically BoJack would be inside the planet, but that's not canon, so whatever. Who distracted Cell so Gohan could finish him off? This one is a little bit different because in the manga, in canon, it's Vegeta, but in the anime, Vegeta too, but like Yamcha, Krillin, Piccolo, they all jump in. So, not Trunks. Trunks was still on the ground with a hole in his chest, but who supplied the sensu beans? Technically Korin, but the picture would have you throw it off, and I can't help but think of DBZ sensu bean. I almost clicked Krillin, but technically Korin makes it. But Krillin is usually the carrier. Well, sort of. How did Goku fly Nimbus? This was supposed to be difficult. Which sport? Baseball. Depends on how technical they're getting. Let's see. There's Fat Boo, Evil Boo, Super Boo, Kid Boo, obviously. There's three main ones. Then there's Oob, and then there's Super Boo with Piccolo absorbed, Gotenks absorbed, Gohan absorbed. But I think they're looking. Like I said, it depends on what technicality you're going for there. There's three main ones. Well, four actually, counting Evil Boo. I have five actually with Oob, but whatever. Pam's grandfather, Goku. Technically also Hercule, but why did Turles come to Earth? Yeah, eat fruit from the tree of might. That is one hell of a picture. In the DBZ world, can a human being from Earth be taught to go Super Saiyan? Unless you make like a wish with Dragon Balls or something like that. There's a YouTuber called Bless Ultraman. He's got a whole series dedicated to if the humans could become Saiyans. Just go check that out. It's pretty interesting. Like I said, the channel's called Plus Ultraman. Why was Vegeta angry with Nappa after they landed on Earth? Because, for a couple of reasons, but this one. He blew up that city that could have had a Dragon Ball in it. Which baddies did the Saiyans face in Babbidi's ships? Tech. No. No. Because Gohan also fought Deborah on the ship as well. This quiz sucks. I mean, yes, they fought them as well. And granted, they didn't fight Babidi on the ship, but the right answer isn't here. Because Gohan did fight Deborah on the ship. But Deborah ran, and then, Fat Boo killed Deborah outside. What is his most dangerous quality? Burger, his speed. The end of the series, Oob. That'd be hilarious if he fought King Kai. Was Piccolo ever the strongest? Yes. He was the strongest very briefly in Z, right before Imperfect Cell came in. So, well, sort of. I guess Android 16 might be stronger, but we didn't know that yet. How did Goku and Vegeta fuse? Dance. Which opponent did he face as Gogeta? Janemba. Yeah. Again, they kind of tried to trick you because they did Vegito in the picture. But Fly. Technically had to draw energy, but I know that's not what they're talking about. Because you need to be able to draw energy to fly. How many questions is this? 35? Okay. I was just wondering. Okay. After Frieza's attack, how many minutes? 5. How did Gohan become Mystic? Elder Kai's power, yes, but... What's the best place to train? I guess best is kind of subjective, but technically the hyperbolic time chamber. Although, Dragon Ball Z, gotcha. So I was gonna say, Dragon Ball in general, I guess that would be Beerus' world, but is Hercule the strongest human? No. Krillin, Yamcha, and Tien, and even Chaozu, even Videl. Who lives on top of the world? What? Piccolo does eventually, yeah. But I'm surprised he didn't have like Dende or Kami or Mr. Popo. Android 18. How many times did Goku die in DBZ? Raditz, Cell, 2. Who beat Videl? Spopovich. Be hilarious if Supreme Kai just was beating her ass. That'd be hilarious to me. 5. I remember that mainly because of DBZA. Is Videl parts? No. How does Super Boo escape? Yeah. Yoda portal into existence. Who was Goku's ultimate opponent at the end of the original Dragon Ball series? Piccolo. In Trunks' timeline, who built the time machine? Bulma. 6? 7? Okay. That one I legitimately didn't know. I couldn't remember. Oh, yeah. there was 6, and then they said there was a 7th who grew up. Yeah, okay, gotcha. What happened for Fat Boo to join the good side? He expelled his evil side with Evil Boo that I spoke about earlier. Was Super Saiyan 3 stronger than Boo 32? No. That's why he needed the Spirit Bomb, because he couldn't defeat him on his own strength. I got a 91. Now, some of those questions, though, were not the best. Oh, okay. I thought I could, like, go back to the... I guess I'll just do this. I'm not going to retake it. I'm just going to... go back to a couple of these questions. This one was kind of a weird question because like I said, it depends on how specific they were getting. Because, like, there's so many versions of Super Boo, and there's Fat Boo, Good Boo. It just depends on how specific they're getting. And I don't know if they're counting Oob, who's sort of a version of Boo, but he's also sort of a separate thing because he's human. I don't know. So that one's kind of weird. This question was wrong to me because the right answer is not here. Because they didn't fight Bobbity on the ship. They did sort of face him because he was the one controlling all this. So they did kind of face him. So this would be closest to the right answer. But yeah, like I said, Gohan did fight Deborah on this ship. He didn't kill him. He didn't defeat him. But he did fight him. So. Also, I don't know why they didn't get a picture of Gogeta. Yeah. Try to find some of the other ones. Yeah. Yeah, this one was the one I, like, didn't actually know for sure. Okay, anyway. Yeah. That'll be pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, I'd appreciate you hitting that like button. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.